2015 Dodge Charger. Hemi. What is it? Hemi. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we got an X-Pot factory, 2 1/4. Then 2.5 inch resonator delete or mid muffler delete. That was done earlier in the year, and then they brought it back and we put 2 gloss back bullets. We'll have the link in the description for them, there and there. We've done a bunch of these in the past, but we never had to do a video on them. So we'll let you guys hear it. You always want to put them in the back, they sound the best. There's the 2 rear mufflers we took out, or resonators. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And the tips come built into the diffuser, so we don't have to do anything on that part. There it is. What do you think? Again? Give a guess. Again. It peaked at 109, bro. That's not bad. Sound decibels. That's loud. And it's smooth. It's not raspy. You see that? That's what we like about those. Throaty, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger. Hemi. Hopefully it goes beast mode.